Okay, don't be too disappointed in me. This is my 2008 GMC truck that I got a screaming good deal on. It was lightly wrecked in the front and it sat in this field for quite a while. And a lot of the front end was tore off of it. I bought this truck and then the next day I found a good deal on another front end. But that front end they had to take apart in pieces. So I basically have scabbed this truck together to try to drive it home versus having it towed. So I put this new core support in with the radiator and the fans. And I've got it just scabbed together with zip ties for a trans cooler because they lost the clips to the quick release things for my lines. But anyway, I got it pieced together and I'm going to see if I can drive this thing home. Like I said, I know it's not an old car. I didn't even need a truck. I have that and the dinosaur. But some deals you just can't pass up. I gave them exactly what they wanted for it. And so I guess that made it a good deal for them. And then like I said, I found a good deal on that front end. I got a 2013 front end I'm going to put on it. This door is kind of jammed up against the wreck fender. Let's see what it'll do. Man, they took it apart and just started throwing parts in the field here. I found the ECM to it laying in the dirt, in the weeds. I couldn't get it to start at first. Couldn't figure out why. Let's see. This will be its first move, if it'll move. Whoa. Oh, I got it in reverse. See, I don't even know how to drive a new car. Interesting. It moves. I got to drive it about 40 miles to get home with it. That would have been a very expensive tow. I think it's going to make a truck. Drives down the road straight. Look at that. I think they ran into the back of a flatbed truck. It didn't do any frame damage at all. Brakes work. I didn't even check about that. My deal now is just to get it back to Fort Worth. Those other details can be worked out in my backyard. This will be another vehicle that I have less than 2 weeks pay invested in. It's a crew cab. Has all the options, power windows. It's not completely loaded, it's kind of a fleet truck. I'm not complaining. But the El Camino is going to stay in the field until my wife can give me a ride back up here. I am ready to go home. Let me make sure it's not peeing anything out. Awesome. This is going to be a good piece. Thanks for watching.